folks. My hands are cold. I'm trying a new angle just for the hell of it. And got some parts to show you. So basically it's not a tool review, it's just me showing what I got. So here, I'll bend it down a little. Here we go. Yeah, will it work? Come on. Stupid thing. Down there. Yeah, it's gonna suck. Come on. Hold on. We'll fix this. There we go. See? Ta-da! Houston, we have fixed it. What do I got today? This is Honda parts. I haven't even opened the bag yet. This is Honda parts. Picked up. What is this? These, I think, are the bearings, actually. Yeah. These are the rear axle bearings and the seals. Got them used. There's the seals. There's two. I don't know if they're any good or not, but they seem to go okay. This one's a little wonky. Little, whatever. And the axle nuts. I have the big giant. These gotta be cleaned. This goes on, I think, over here like that. I know you screw that in, and then you screw this one in. And there's a big giant screw that goes in there. And this one takes the giant Allen key. And I guess this goes on here somehow. Does it? I don't know. Don't know. I have to, there we go. I'm guessing it goes on like that. Do I know this? No. But these are for the big red anyway. Put the rusty parts in here. And then the greasy parts in here. That's so I can, just in case I don't have all the pieces for that axle housing that I got these pieces. They're used and probably slightly abused. On top of that, I have a rear rack, which I also got this, more of the rear, I forget what these bolts are called. I mean, I could probably make them, but you know what? I don't got time for that. These are they're the two tiny little bolts that go in the end. You could just use a bolt with a washer or some kind of, what do you call it, little thing there, but why bother? So I gotta get the, I gotta get the plating chemicals, and if I ever get to a warm spot this spring, I'm gonna start plating bolts one at a time, just switching them out. Because why not? I'll clean it off in some acid, wash it out, clean it again, and just because I want to replate the bolts that go in the frame internally. So that's it for that, pretty much. That pretty much does that. That's some of the new Honda parts. I have a few more, though. I have a new dash panel coming, and I think I picked up one other thing. I didn't buy a lot, it's just one or two things here and there. Every month I pick up the tiny little things and then hesitate to buy the larger, stupid things. But I need one axle nut. Not the axle nut, I need one rear hub for that rear end to put together. And it's still over there packed in plastic right now, the rear end. I don't know how bad it is. I don't know what it needs. I just want to get it rolling. So at least when I get it rolling, I could put wheels on it, take it off, work on one side, and it's a roller. I could roll it outside. I'm going to roll it back in. As for an engine, I found somebody who can sell me an engine cheap. I don't know how much the shipping's going to be, so maybe. I also have an engine sitting on the floor here, which I want to take apart and address the problem with it. Do I know what I'm doing? No. So anyway, with that, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and tell me how you like my videos. Thanks for watching.